The first time Gaines Township elections inspector accused of using a USB to illegally collect voter information after the second primary election made his first appearance in court Monday afternoon. 13 on your signs, Micah Cho was at James Hokelboer's arraignment. Micah, Hokelboer is out on bail now.
That's right. He's out on a $10,000 personal recognizance bond, meaning he won't have to pay on the sole promise that he will show up to court for the rest of his court dates. He also won't be able to participate in any election rolls while his case makes his way through the court.
Mr. Holkeboer, will you come back to all your future court hearings?
James Holkeboer, who worked as an elections inspector during the August 2nd primary at Precinct 8 at Ada Bible Church in Gaines Township, arraigned at the 63rd District Courthouse in Kent County. He pled not guilty to 2 felony charges, falsifying return records and using a computer to commit a crime.
While this case is pending, you may not work in any capacity, in any election processing capacity. Do you understand that?
Holkeboer is accused of putting a thumb drive into a poll book that contained voter registration data, including personal information about voters in the area. He was a first-time elections inspector in August and alternate Michigan GOP delegate for the 3rd Congressional District, according to the Kent GOP website. In a Kent County Sheriff's Office probable cause affidavit, Holkeboer admitted to working on the August 2nd primary election and also admitted to inserting the thumb drive into the book. Western Michigan adjunct professor and attorney Mark Brewer, who practices election law, says the 2 felony charges are serious.
Now, I've been practicing election law in Michigan since the 80s, and I have never heard of an election worker tampering with election equipment in this fashion.
To make sure the primary election was secure, the Kent County clerk issued an audit of the primary election earlier this month, later saying that Holkeboer's accused actions did not have an impact on the primary. Brewer reiterated the words of the Kent County clerk Lisa Posthumous-Lyons, saying elections here in Michigan are secure.
I think it was a wise step for the clerk to have done a separate audit to provide the additional assurance to the voters.
Lisa Posthumous-Lyons, Kent County clerk, has told us that the machine Holkeboer was accused of tampering with has been decommissioned and won't be used in the November election. In the newsroom, I'm Micah Cho, 13 on your side.